Have you been putting off building your business website because you think you're not techy enough? I understand, because I wasn't either. I'm 62 years old, I'm a social worker and a small business owner. I didn't start out knowing WordPress, Divi, domains, or any of this website stuff. But I learned, and now I'm going to teach other business owners how to do it too, step by step, little by little. In my Build Your Website workshop, I'm not building your website for you. I'm teaching you how to build it step by step in plain English. You will log into your own WordPress that I have provided for you to start. No fancy language, and no sitting there wondering what button to push. If I can learn this, you can learn it too. Come build with me at the Apoyo Small Business Academy. From confusion to clarity, that is Apoyo Support Center.